This lecture will help you to complete assignment 1. So you are trying to create a tree like this with the values 2, 3, 4. So what we will be doing is, we will be declaring an array like this with elements defined 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 4, minus 1, minus 1. We have a variable I which is initialized to 0, and we should write a code here. What it does is, this I is the index which will take each element from this array. You should also write code to complete this, define an array. If it is ARR, you should write a code to fetch each element of array here, that is x equal to ARR of 0, ARR 5, like this. Then you have a code here to increment this index. So here you need to write ARR of 5, ith index. So you should complete this one and this one. So what it does is, after this first create, this will fetch 2, then you have a call to malloc. So you will be creating a 2 here, p dot data equal to x. Then it will ask you to enter left child. Then you have a call to create, and the result will be stored in p dot left. So you will be having a call to create here. So there is a switch. So you have a switch from this position. I will be quoting this as 1. So the call return, execution will resume from this position. So you have a create, again you have a create, this will call this one, index I is incremented. So ARR of 1 will fetch you 3, it will create a new one. So you will create a new node called 3, and that will be p dot left. Then again you have a call to create. So this time this value is minus 1. So if x equal to minus 1, return null. So this one is filled with null. Since it returns, it will ask you to enter right child. Again p dot right equal to create, and again you have the value minus 1. So the value will be null. This call also returns. So this will return here. Then it means that the execution resumes from here. So it will ask you to enter right child. Then again a call to create. This time it will feed 4. So no new node will be created and filled with 4. Then enter left child. Again you have a call to create. So this time minus 1 and minus 1 will be ended. So again it will be like this. This is how this tree is created.